the heart of Kampala. The heart of Kampala, my guys. This is what we call living. You don't believe me? Just look at that. Kampala is working, my guys. Yeah? So, just enjoying. This is Kampala, my guys. Not Kenya, Kampala. So, this is a video blog of how life is. It's about time now we go to see her on our second car next day. Yeah, let's go. Nice farms.
No, Eric. You're on the top. I'm not going to be that cool every party. I'm going to be Eric. Pull up.
This is the BNB we are staying. This is the BNB. So the house is not bad, but we just in Uganda there are beautiful places. Yeah. So if you come even outside, yeah.
Like our culture here in Central, we smash matoke, put it back on the food, get sauce on it, like same like Ugandan. So you see the dish at lunch. That's our food.
So you want us to taste all the Ugandan food?
Exactly. And then we have also another food for supper.
Then we can go and sell the Kenya. We can say,
Then you have something to tell that you know you have been there, at least you have tasted the food. Yes, not the fish. Yeah, we have one.
Culture shop. This is the culture shop. You think Kampala is not working? Come to Kampala, my guys. Culture shop. Beautiful houses. Look at that architecture, my guys. Sindio? Take here, manze.
church, man.
And it's me, so that you don't say that it's not me. Allah. Oh. It's all culture shock. So don't say I was outside Kampala. This is Kampala, my guys. See, we only do them once. Do them when you are alive. You say you have look at the transformer in Kenya. That is a transformer, my guys. What are you telling us? If it was in Kenya, it would have been stolen. Look at this greenness. Look at this city. I'm feeling bad to say to throw this away because this place is so clean. God damn it! Look at this. What are you telling me? Better dictatorship that works than dictatorship that has no influence, has no use. Look at this city. These are the toilets in Kampala, my guys. Huh? You believe? See. Inazidi nini? Na turn on and off. So when you say you are never in Kampala, my guys, you'll just ask me. Look at drip check. Drip check. My guys, we are cool guys. We're cool. Everything is good everything working for the goodness of God. Okay. So Njogo, salimia wase. Niaje. Wase, hii ni vitisho zingine baridi. Today is my last day in Uganda, Kampala, Banange. So if you don't believe me, these are Ugandan number plates. Yeah, Ugandan number plates. So all the best of luck. It's 6 currently, and when we stay until like 7, it's okay. Thank you. This is how. So I'm going to change my Kenyan shillings. This is Kenyan shillings. Where is that? Uganda. Now I'm going to show you the process. So this is the press. You say Tanzania has, Uganda has no help. Yeah. So let's see how it's going. Uganda experience, my God. So here is the money. Yeah, Uganda. Zote. Wow. Amemaliza doza Uganda. Hana. Kisha huko Masani kwa natusho. Brenda. Habari. Salimie. Hii ni salamu. Kwani this is Brenda. My Ugandan, I'm vlogging. Do you know vlogging? Salimia watu. Ambia habari. I'm vlogging. That's a friend in Uganda. So we're going to do it. Yeah. Si mama alikuwa anatuambia hapo pao penye wako ati kuna nini? So we have a break because the distance is long. I've spent the whole night traveling. It's currently what's the time? 10. Hey, 10, and we've aborted the flight long before Sasaba. But that's the bus. We're going to enjoy the flight. Look at that view. Me and my brother, we are going to enjoy it. And here he is, this guy. We are enjoying the shit. Jemo, ndio wase venye tumefika nini hapa na Vasho. Tumespend masaa ngapi kwa barabara?
Kuanzia 8 jana usiku.
Mpaka saa hii. It's 24 hours.
Tumefika Kenya ilikuwa 6.
Yeah.
Sasa saa hii ni saa ngapi?
Man. Ni saa 4 manzo. Naangalia hivyo masaa mpaka nashangaa manzo. sikia njamba. Ndio tukadishi hizi vitu. Because hatukuli kwa ndae, si kwanza tukulie tu hapa kati tumechia. Hiyo gari tumeambiwa aje inakaa like 20 minutes at least straight. Usiku mzima kutembea kwa ndae basi, lakini iko comfortable. So you guys mwenye mlikuwa mnasema nini? Tumesonga, tumetoka Kampala. Jani ilikuwa safi baba.
Leo na barabara mrefu. Unajua crisscross across the country, half of Uganda, and then we are halfway to Kenya, like midpoint. Tukiassume capital iko around the
central place of Kenya. Fuck manzi.
Okay, it was a good one.
Experience, the best experience we ever had. The biggest breaking boundaries.
Next time sama natusikia wapi Egypt.
Acha hivyo, twende kwanza South Africa.
Kwenye kutaendeka next. Ara tukiambiwa ni hapa Tanzania, tukiambiwa hapa ni Sudan. Tunataka kwanza tutembelee marafiki. Charity begins at home. We start with the East African community. Kidogo tujiwakilishe. Wewe fule hiyo kitu bana.